This is G with Aroma G's Botanica, and today we're going to talk about what is a Gris-Gris Paquet. Some people say packet, others say paquet because it is in French, Paquet, and it's a Mojo bag made out of paper. These are the ones I make for people, and I actually print the images myself on paper. These are rabbits or hares, really, which is meant to signify money. On these, I actually have the healing hand, which is for healing. And then love. Of course, there's little hearts. And then this one is the evil eye, which is for protection work. So what is the difference in this in a Mojo bag? With paquets, they're supposed to be more concealable than a Mojo bag because they're flat. Someone could put them, I don't know, in a bra or in a pocket, and it wouldn't make a knot like a Mojo bag would. The way I make these is it's a square piece of paper if you want to make them at home. It's usually a square piece of paper that I folded over this way, then that way, this way, unfolded, and inside I put a few of the existing herbs for whatever the condition is. Mine, I put a little charm in there. The loved ones have hearts. This one has a little bitty money bag in it. And then, of course, the herbs and associated things that go with it. And then I seal it up. And what I do is actually take the sealing wax after I've bound it up. And I'll also glue it up. When I fold it, I will glue it up because you don't want anything to come out of this. Same as with a Mojo bag. Supposedly, if you open it, you've killed it because it's a living thing. Before you close it, you actually speak into it and say, you are now a living thing that will work for me. So yeah, Gris-Gris Paquets is the proper term in New Orleans. It's usually found. And another thing about them is usually on a Mojo bag, if you want to feed it, feeding it means it feels a little listless and you think that it needs to be livened up a little bit. Maybe it's not working as well as it did anymore. You would normally put oil on a Mojo bag, but with a paquet, you would put sachet powder. You would put powders because it won't make them oily and greasy. So that's really the difference. It's the materials used in. So it is a Mojo bag, but it's not a bag. It's an envelope made out of paper, still contains the same magical ingredients, a little bit less of them because you want it to stay flat, a little charm, and I did rub the herbs with oils and let them dry before I put them inside, and then sealed it up. People love them. You can get these on my website or in the store, but you can make them yourself really easily just by folding over, gluing down, tying up. You don't have to glue them, but I like to because I like to let you get get rough with them if you want to. So that is what a Gris-Gris paquet is. It is to me, a more portable Mojo bag.